Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever you're watching this. Just heading to the BMW showroom to pick up some accessories that I ordered a while back. But before that, I want to just install the number plate sticker here because these days the police are stopping. So there is a place here which does stickers. Here. We'll just get the number plate installed and then catch you guys in a short while. Okay, number plate done. Now we are slightly secured from the police stopping us for lack of number plate. You remember the Sikkim trip? I was stopped by police in Bhubaneswar while I was heading to the BMW showroom then. I was fined like 500 if I remember. He was asking me more, threatening to seize the vehicle. It's been a week since we got the BMW out. But oh man, this is nice. No, besides gloves and helmet, I didn't wear any riding jacket, so I'm gonna take it slow. So most probably Shriman, Rohit and maybe Aitya will join us at the showroom. We're just gonna pick up the accessories and chill for a while and disperse. That's the plan for today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that delivery video of the 390 Adventure that you saw early. Sorry for all that hype. Kuch to build up karna hai na. Dost ka gaadi hai. It was actually an adventurous day because it was raining a lot and there was no power in the showroom. It was not the most fun deliveries that we had and it took a while for us to get the vehicle, and then Srujan kept the bike at his place. I think it's still there, so we'll probably head there after picking up the accessories, do a short spin on the 390 Adventure and head back home. That's the plan for today. Can't wait to test ride the 390 Adventure. For the first few days, we'll let Edwin enjoy his adventure. Did you get it? Edwin, adventure, adventure. Okay, that's a poor joke. TJ. Sorry, sir. My bad. Farzi Cafe. Man, I wanted to come to that place, but couldn't. Obviously, for the obvious reasons. None of us are taking the BMW 850s or the Ducati or the Duke 790. It was just Edwin taking his 390 Adventure. I think for this year, mostly, we are done with bike deliveries. Maybe there will be one or two, but that's an outside chance. Not me, not Sriman, not Rochi or Suju. None of us are gonna take a bike, but someone else in the group might. We don't know. We don't want to give any commitments. I think we have teased and built up enough for this bike already. And sorry if you guys hate us for all that hype and build up. Anyway guys, I'm almost here at the BMW showroom, so we'll get the accessories fitted and then catch you guys later.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, these are the accessories that I got fitted. So these include soft panniers and a tail bag, and these are very easy to mount and unmount. So you just see the clip here, rotate it, lift it, and that's it. And when you want to lock it, you just lock it here. Simple. You need to get used to it quite a bit, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. These are 35, 25 and 40 liters. That's quite a lot for almost a world tour. So there's a brand called Moscow Moto in US which manufactures these. BMW has a partnership for these bags. Both were costing the same, so hence I got it locally here in Hyderabad. And I think my touring setup is done. You guys let me know how the bags look. Once they're fully loaded, obviously the look will change. There's so many things to share about these bags. Who gave the gifts?
Mohit.
What did he say?
He came in the morning and Atta said, bring it back in the evening.
Okay.
Then he bring it in the evening. Then Atta said, Mama is not there. When you meet him, just give that. But he did not listen. He left it on the bench over there.
Oh, okay. Today my mom received these small gifts from one of our subscribers. Thank you so much for the amazing love that you've been showing, but please don't come home here. I'm sorry to say this, but how should I put it? I can't thank you enough for your love and support, but at the same time, I don't want you guys to disturb the privacy of my home. You might have seen the home in some of the vlogs. The reason I show you some bit of that is to show you my life. So please understand and respect that. Sorry if this hurts you, but I have to say that because this is the second time someone showed up like this and not nice. But thank you again for all the gifts. Please don't give any gifts to any YouTubers or anyone. We are not at that level to receive any gifts or something. Give those to your family, friends. But it's just that it feels like a responsibility receiving something from someone else. I don't want to have that. Don't waste your money on stuff like giving gifts to YouTubers or anything. No point. So I just hope you understand and don't get hurt by this. If you're hurt, I'm sorry. Extremely sorry about that. Okay? Hey guys, that was probably a few days back, and since then we have gone for a day ride, not a breakfast ride. The video will come sometime this Thursday or Friday. Just got tied up with few things and hence the delay. And just finished my workout too. Small short workout, half an hour workout, not the usual 1 hour, 2 hour workouts. Squats, push-ups, just trying to get the strength back. Seems like we have some strength back in the knee. Usually my legs are pretty strong because I've been working out for most of my life. I think since the age of 11 till at least 16 I've been running, playing sports every day. And after that it got down, but I started picking up long distance running. The longest I've ever run was maybe 19 kilometers while I was in Canada. But typically I used to run at least 3 times a week, and in that sense I miss that quite a bit. But I think we are 1-2 months away from starting that again. Till such time I'm just building up my core and strengthen the legs. Anyway, talking about running, as I said before, I've taken the bike out for a day ride and the bags held up pretty well. But I think I need to do some adjustments. So let's do it. So this is the back plate that is used to attach the soft panniers. The thing with this is the pannier rack, and they positioned it here. So the bags would come up to here, and I want them slightly here in the center. I want to test it out, and these are very easy to do. You just remove these 8 Allen bolts and they're attached in this form, and just move it here. So once I do that, the look might get better. Talking about looks, look how much dirt is there. That's all from the ride, the day ride that we did last weekend. And oh man, it was raining so much. I've not covered it because I want to clean it thoroughly and then put a cover on it. If it rains, it will at least wash up the dirt, some of the dirt. So just waiting for that. The tools I'm going to use to change the mounting position is this. So in case you want this and check out other accessories that I have, the links will be in the description, so do check them out. So let's get going. Of dirt. Whenever you install or uninstall something, it's just a nice habit to just clean the area. Ideally I want to mount it this way. It was here, just want to mount it here. So we'll install this and then get back to you.
A few moments later.
Done guys, 20 minutes of work. So this is how it would look from the side. Bags would just probably come till here, which is what I want. This is on the other side. The Allen bolts were not that great, so I might have permanently damaged 1 or 2. I can still loosen them up, but probably only once, and have to be very careful. So can't ask someone else to do that because they might screw them up and have to buy these. These can be bought somewhere, but just that it's nice to have the stock ones. It is so freaking hot. I'm sweating like a point saying, well, I'm gonna just take a quick shower and catch you guys later. It feels so good to have a nice cold shower after sweating like that. It was not hot, but it was just once you stand in the sun for like 20-30 minutes doing some physical work, I guess we have become weak. Staying home for the last 6 months. At least I had been staying home since December. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think. I thought of posting a longer video, but then content was just not in sync. I've finished editing that part too, so but you might see another video coming tomorrow or day after. It's the weekend ride video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna head out to meet Sriman because they're exploring a few interesting cars, which you probably already saw in his video, but there is something interesting coming up. And in that regard, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. And in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night. Take care. Bye bye. See you later.